Oh, did you hear him? What'd he do?
Dadu.
You can do it better than that.
Yeah.
Do it.
Dadu.
There you go.
Dadu.
Oh. He did it back to you.
Yeah.
Do it.
Dadu.
Oh. Is he going to do it again? Nope. He's going to eat his eggs.
I mean,
Here, you want to feed it the other food? I got to get him some water.
yeah, it's down.
Okay. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah. They like those jalapeno poppers, don't they?